What's up, everybody? So I'm going to start today's video by showing you what not to do with your wax. I'm applying it to the inside of my wrist, 1 to check for the temperature and 2 for this demonstration. So if you go to pull at the wax too soon and it's still tacky, it'll stretch like that. Same thing here, if you're trying to take it off, it's not ready, it's just going to stretch. So let's not do that. Wait until it's set and then it'll come off. So I just got out of the shower, so my skin is all supple and whatnot, but I'm gonna take this astringent and prep my underarms as I would if I hadn't just gotten out the shower. Next, I'm taking some baby powder to dry up all the excess moisture. I'm applying my hard wax in the direction that my hair grows, and I'm being sure to create a little lip or a tab at the bottom to make it easy to pull up. And right now I'm just checking to make sure the wax is set. You try to pull up in one motion, but you see I kind of got caught up there. Still came out good. Like, look at these hairs. That was a good pull. Now I'm just taking some jojoba oil, and this will help like soothe the skin. One, it's not going to clog your pores, and it helps get off any like remnants of wax that may be left behind. So I'm just prepping my other underarm with the astringent. Of course, I use new applicators every time. Even though I'm the only person that uses this wax, I still use it on different parts of my body, and I just don't want to cross-contaminate. So again, wax needs to be applied in the direction of hair growth. I like to use my other hand to hold my skin as taut as possible to kind of make it easier for me to have a clean pull. And it's as easy as that. Of course, it gets easier with practice, but yeah, these are the results. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.